Mean. It's so mean. Yeah. Gabby versus Pee-wee. Gabby. Beating up on your little sister. Just stop it, Gabby. Hi guys. We're playing. This is Gabby, a little boy. Obviously, and a big boy too. And he's very playful. He's very full of himself. With those 4 little white feet. But he's in love. He's his Pee-wee. See, it's a part Siamese, we think, because he's a little cross-eyed. And she's the runt who swallowed a tennis ball. She's a sweetheart and a love too, and likes to purr, and likes to snuggle. She's not like to snuggle. I snuggle. And these are 2 of the babies that need to find good homes with wonderful families. We're going to adore them. Pew, pew, pew. I might. Oh my gosh, this is adorable.